looking to give your website a professional touch and help your visitors learn more about you and your mission. Today I'm going to show you, step by step, exactly how to add an About Us page right into the footer of your WordPress site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a brand new About Us page, but you'll also make it easily accessible to anyone who scrolls to the bottom of your site, a simple change that can make a big difference in building trust and credibility with your audience. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to create our About Us page. In your WordPress dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Pages. Once you're there, select Add New. Now, this is where you'll type up your story, introduce yourself, describe your business or blog, share your values, and let your readers know what sets you apart. Don't be afraid to spend a little time here. Think about what you'd want visitors to know if they met you in person for the first time. Once you're happy with the content, go ahead and hit the Publish button. That makes your new About Us page officially live on your site. With the page created, our next job is to make it super easy for people to find it, especially from the footer, which is one of the most common places people look for important information links like About, Contact, or Privacy. So we're heading back to your WordPress dashboard and clicking on Appearance and then Editor. Don't worry if this looks a bit different depending on your theme, the idea is the same. We want to get to the area that lets us change what's displayed in the footer at the bottom of every page on your site. Once you're inside the editor, find where your footer sections are managed. Sometimes this is called footer, other times it might say widget or template parts. What you want to do here is add a piece of content that links to your new About Us page. You could use a button if you want something that stands out, or maybe a simple navigation menu if you want it to blend in with other footer links. Even a plain text link does the job. Choose whichever fits the style of your site best. For beginners, a button often looks clean and is easy to add. Now let's make sure it connects properly. When you add your button, navigation item, or text, you'll need to link it to your page. Click into the element. There should be an option to add or edit the hyperlink. Here you're going to type or paste the name, or even better, the URL of the About Us page you just made. WordPress usually helps by auto-suggesting pages when you start typing the title, so if you see About Us pop up, click to select it. If you're manually entering the link, you can always grab the exact URL from your pages list. Save your changes in the editor and take a moment to preview or refresh your site. Scroll down to the footer and there it is. You should see your new button or link ready for visitors to click. And that's it. You've just set up an About Us page and made it super easy to find, which helps reassure visitors and adds professionalism to your site. If any part felt tricky, don't stress. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get that link formatted just right, and WordPress themes can be a little different. If you run into any issues, drop your questions in the comments below. I'm always here to help. If you found this tutorial useful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more WordPress tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.